Hi, Jelle from Slide Labs here, and in this short video I want to show you how you can withdraw and deposit on Slide App. Simply go over to the Slide App platform, and right here I'm logged in with my Discord account. Click here on your wallet on the top right corner and you have two options, deposit and withdraw. You can deposit Solana via this QR code or by copying this wallet address or by clicking this green button. You will be prompted to a website where you can buy Solana with a credit card and actually top up your wallet. So here you enter your Sol recipient address, which is shown over here in your Slide App platform. Here you choose the amount of USD or whatever currency you prefer, and you get the Solana amount transferred to your wallet correctly. When you want to withdraw certain assets to another wallet because you made some profits on our platform, you can simply go over to withdraw. Here you can enter the maximum amount of USDC. More options will be coming soon, and you can simply send to the wallet that you want. So that's it for depositing and withdrawing on Slide App, and I hope to see you in one of our other videos.